Former Cuyahoga County Judge Leslie Celebrezze was sentenced to 60 days in jail. She pleaded guilty back in February to felony tampering with records after filing a fraudulent journal entry. Now, Annabelle Childers is live outside the Justice Center. I know that you were in the courtroom and you said it got pretty emotional in there today.
Yeah, Christy, and it was interesting. No one was in the courtroom supporting Celebrezze, but her attorney said that was actually intentional, that she wanted to be in court alone and single-handedly take the accountability and consequences of her actions. Now, before we heard from her, we heard from the visiting judge, Mark Wiest, and he started by sharing a summary of the pre-sentence investigation and breaking down the facts of what Celebrezze did. He explained that in early 2023, Celebrezze asked to be assigned to a highly contentious divorce case, but she submitted a fraudulent journal entry claiming she'd been randomly assigned the case. While overseeing it, Celebrezze recommended the parties work with a mediator, Mark Tory. When the parties declined to work with him, she recused herself from the case, and another judge was assigned to take it over. In December 2025, following an FBI investigation, Celebrezze was charged with one count of tampering with records, a third-degree felony. And in February 2026, she pled guilty to the charge. Today in court, Celebrezze's attorney shared a 21-minute-long statement, and then she spoke at the podium.
We stand here today because of my actions only. I apologize, Your Honor. My actions have consequences, and I accept that. The last several months I've been confined to my house. It caused me to truly reflect on my conduct and my life in general. I am so genuinely sorry for what I've done.
The prosecution did not recommend a sentence, instead deferring the decision to the judge. Judge Wiest said he didn't believe Celebrezze would reoffend because she no longer holds her law license or her position as a judge. But he said Celebrezze's actions were devastating to the entire justice system because her corruption erodes trust in the work they do. Now, he sentenced her to 60 days in prison. He also fined her $10,000 and ordered her to pay all of the court fees. And then she was escorted to the jail. Christy.
All right. Thank you so much, Annabelle.